Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Roblox screen stuck when updating or installing. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is to uninstall your third-party antivirus program. So as it turns out, the third-party antivirus suite installed on your computer is one of the culprits. So this is because the program tends to be overprotective, and that is it can interfere with processes it deems harmful, but they actually won't. So as a result, a false positive occurs. So if Roblox keeps configuring, you can disable the third-party antivirus software and start the installation again, or you can completely delete the virus software and erase remnant files that are not removed during the uninstallation phase by following these steps right here. So in Windows 10, just simply type Control Panel to the search box and then click the result to open this app. And then view the items in large icons and simply click Programs and Features to go to the list of the installed programs. And then just find your antivirus program, right click it and then choose Uninstall. And then after uninstalling the software, delete the remnant files from your computer. The next what you can do is to use a VPN. So sometimes the internet connection or the restrictions imposed on network can lead to Roblox stuck on configuring. So to fix the issue, you can use a VPN during the installation process since it gives you a private connection and you can install the app easily. And then next what you can do is to remove Roblox from computer and then install it. So if the steps I've mentioned did not work for you to fix the Roblox stuck on installing or configuring, the final way you can try is to remove this app and then just to reinstall it again. To do that, just simply go to the control panel and click Programs and Features, and then right click on the Roblox and choose Uninstall to remove it. And then go to the official website and download and install it on your computer again. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.